Welcome to Graptics. One World, One Math. Let's learn together.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Foundation Mathematics for Higher Classes. Before we begin your current class topics, we'll spend some time strengthening the basic ideas in mathematics. This isn't about going back to simple maths. It's more about making the concepts clear so you can use them in different problems. When the basics are clear, topics like quadratic equations, trigonometry, and coordinate geometry just become easier to follow, step by step. In this program, we'll work through 3 levels, cover 5 concept areas, and follow a clear method. As you go through this, you can build better clarity in your basics and apply them in your class questions. Now, let's first look at why this foundation is useful. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever found it difficult to solve a maths problem? Or even if you wrote all the steps, somewhere in between, some steps just went wrong. Not because the topic was difficult, but because some basic steps weren't clear. Or some basic steps kept going wrong while solving the problem. That's actually pretty common. And a lot of students might be dealing with the same thing. Now look at these areas on the screen. Number systems, fractions, decimals, negative numbers, percentages, ratios, algebra basics, geometry basics, data and graphs, and understanding the problem. These are some of the common areas where students might face difficulty in classes 8 to 10. Now, here's the key point. All of these ideas come from concepts learned in earlier classes. These basics are clear. It becomes easier to learn topics in the higher classes. You can think of it like a building. If the lower levels are clear and stable, it becomes easier to build further. This program is designed to help students make their foundation in math stronger so they can learn topics in the higher classes more effectively. Now let's look at how we're going to approach this. We're not going step by class. Instead, we're organizing learning based on concepts. This helps you see the connections and understand ideas more clearly. Now let's look at how this program is structured. This program is organized into 3 levels. You can think of it as a step-by-step learning journey. Each level builds on the previous one. Let us begin with level 1, Core Foundations. In this level, we learn basic ideas in mathematics, number understanding, operations, place value, and early ideas of fractions and geometry. The focus here is to make these ideas clear and easy to use. Now let us look at level 2, Concept Strengthening. In this level, we will learn integers, fractions, decimals, percentages, and ratios. You will also begin learning the basics of algebra. This level helps connect your basic ideas with the types of problems you see in your current textbooks. Now let us move to level 3, High School Readiness. In this level, we focus on algebra readiness, equation thinking, coordinate geometry basics, and problem solving. This helps you learn your current class topics more comfortably. Now, within these 3 levels, we organize everything into concept areas. Let us look at that next. Now, let us look at how the learning is organized. Instead of learning mathematics class by class, we organize it into concept areas. This helps you understand ideas in a more connected way. Let us look at the 5 concept domains. Domain 1, Numbers and Operations. This includes counting, whole numbers, integers, factors, multiples, LCM, HCF, and BODMAS. These are the basic tools used in many problems. Domain 2, Fractions, decimals, and percentages. These ideas show up in a lot of topics, both in school maths and in daily situations. Domain 3, Algebra Foundation. Here, you start with patterns and variables, and then you gradually move to equations. It helps you understand algebra step by step. Domain 4, Geometry and Visual Mathematics. This includes shapes, angles, symmetry, area, and volume. We use diagrams and examples to make these ideas clearer. Domain 5, data handling, and logic. This includes tables, graphs, averages, and logical reasoning. These help you understand information and think more clearly. Now, for each concept in these domains, we follow a simple learning method. Let's look at that next. Before we begin the topics, let us look at how we will learn each topic. We follow a simple 7-step learning method. This helps you understand each concept step by step. Step 1, why. We begin by understanding why the concept is used. Step 2, visualize. We use diagrams and simple examples to make the idea clear. Step 3, rule. Then we introduce the formula or method. Step 4, examples. We solve problems from basic to slightly advanced. Step 5, common mistakes. We look at common errors and how to avoid them. Step 6, practice. You will try questions to apply what you learned. Step 7, connect. We link the concept to your current class topics. This way, each concept becomes clearer and easier to understand. Now, we are ready to begin. In the upcoming sessions, we will go through each concept step by step using this same method. So, let us continue this learning together. Talk to you soon in the next session.
Welcome to Graptics. One world, one math. Let's learn together.